Okay, besties, eat a ribeye with me before my man gets home from work. Okay, so I did let it rest. So let's see how it came out. I'm kind of scared, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna close my eyes and y'all tell me how it came out. I don't want to see. Hold on. Can y'all see? Can y'all see? How did it come out, besties? Okay, it's a little bit too done for me, but it's perfect. Does that make any sense? Take a bite from right here. Besties, take a bite, bitches. Okay, I'm gonna dip it in my egg. Okay, okay. Here you go. Really good. Mel is right next to me. She's gonna join and eat with us. As you guys may know, I'm not trying to show her on camera right now. I'm gonna give this little piece to Mel. She's gonna give it a try. She's a steak gal like her mother. Y'all, I also have a Pepsi here. I did open it already. 10 out of 10 or BMS. It broke my monthly scale, bitch.